Are you wondering why stains or residues suddenly appear on your assemblies after cleaning? The cause of this issue may lie in changes to your cleaning and rinsing baths due to contamination or concentration deviations. Regularly analyzing and checking these should be an integral part of process monitoring. This is because only consistently high bath quality can ensure constant and reliable cleaning results. To guarantee exactly that, we offer precise determination of the physical and chemical values of your cleaning and rinsing baths based on the samples you send us. This includes determining the concentration, pH value, organic and ion content, checking for foreign substances, and much more. This helps maximize the lifespan of your cleaning and rinsing baths. The result? Say goodbye to unexpected residues and stains. Proper bath monitoring leads to consistently high cleaning quality and, in addition, sustainably reduces your process costs. Stains or residues on your circuit boards? Contact us and find out how our bath analyses can help you.